In this video, I'll show you how to partition a hard drive into multiple partitions via several simple clicks on a Windows 10 computer. It works the same in Windows 11. There are many reasons to partition a hard drive, such as keep things organized. You can separate personal data from operating system. Install multiple operating systems on a single hard drive. Create a storage area for backing up system and data. Now, let's learn how to partition or repartition a hard drive. Download the free disk partition software, Disk Genius. Go to diskgenius.com. Find the free edition at the top of the navigation. Click the free download button to download the software. Once it's installed, you can double-click on the app to open it. You can see all disks on the computer. Before partitioning the hard drive, you need to make sure the hard drive does not contain any important data. That's because the disk partitioning process will delete everything on the drive. If you don't want to delete existing partitions and data, you can try partitioning the hard drive by splitting an existing partition into two partitions. Select the drive you want to partition and click Quick Partition. Here you can select partition table type. Select how many partitions you need. Select file system type. Set partition size. Select the option, Align partitions to integral multiples of sectors. This is the option for 4K alignment. Click OK once you have set all your options. A warning message will appear, prompting that all data will be erased. Click Yes to confirm and proceed. New partitions will be created and formatted immediately. Now the hard drive is partitioned into 3 partitions. You can access them via File Explorer or Disk Management. That's it. It's quite simple and fast to partition or repartition a hard drive. Feel free to share your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments below. Thanks for watching.